Hello, I am Jino Kim, the president of Han-Mee Artists Association of Greater Washington. Boundless features a wide-ranging collection of works by 46 Korean heritage artists from the Han-Mee Artists Association of Greater Washington. Han-Mee Artists Association of Greater Washington is comprised of Korean American artists who have immigrated to the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area during the last half-century. Sanctuary is a three-dimensional sculpture with complementary colors and forms that resemble the foundation for a home. The intention within the work evokes a sense of reciprocity and interaction as the strong foundation creates space and opportunity for relationships to flourish in a safe environment.
I depicted the sun and the earth in the Milky Way galaxies. There are three more galaxies in my artwork. At the center of galaxies are concentrated with high energy and gravitation. Billions of stars like sun moving around the center of the galaxies and yet expanding into boundless deep space. I try to express this process by using yin-yang philosophy. For example, the earth is yin, the sun is yang. The earth moves around the sun, it receives energy from the sun. Everything on the earth, like atmosphere, ocean, plant, animals, are ceaselessly changing.
I'm Hyun-Suk Erickson. In my work, I seek a harmonious balance between industrial material, self-identity, and cultural hybridity. These totem poles are symbolic of the duality of my cultures. My cultural belief and living in an American materialistic world take on their own physical body of work. This combination of a psychological belief and physical matter creates something between a peaceful and unimaginary unknown world, opening the way for dialogue about the culture and consumerism to take shape.
Hello, my name is Irene Myung-hee Kim, warning about the natural environment. Although it brings us delight, nature was never ours to possess. We were only ever meant to enjoy it briefly. Environmental issues such as overflowing waste, radiation, global warming, and the depletion of the ozone layer could bring the destruction of our planet. How can we preserve nature so that we can pass down a beautiful planet to our children?
This is Ju Kim. My work is an expression of emotions deep inside that haunt me. The fragment of feelings that I experience arise from my inner voice, filtered through the subconscious mind beyond the conscious world. The fragment of the partially forgotten memories slowly fade away like the wind and leaf images reflecting to my life.
My name is Camellia Hongja Kim. This Rainbowscape 7 is a sculpture depicting a scene where 7 people are enjoying strolling under the rainbow. 2 silver figures. A woman is standing at the front right side corner and a man is standing at the back left side corner, are observing 7 24-karat gold leaf covered people and 2 green-colored people under the brilliantly shining rainbow colors.
Hello, I am Kyujin Lee. Life, which is a balancing act, often delicate and arduous, is unfolding over and under this bridge, a symbolic course that links and divides our existence across time and space. And I see myself in it, in the boundless abundance and richness that life offers.
My name is Sophia Jung. My Korean painting is a fusion of both the traditional and modern artistic expressions. I like drawing my imagination with my heart. I want to connect with my audience in a playful manner and encourage them to activate their own imagination. My brave tiger always dreams big and has a strong spirit.
My name is Sunny Kim Jung. Where do I go next? It's an oil painting. This painting is an expression of my feelings after the loss of my mom. Alone, feeling lost with so many regrets, but it's about survival, looking for right directions, living for my life.
My name is Eun-Mi Jung. The title of my work, Endless Emptiness, is a process of meditating between art jewelry and painting. The brooch can be used as wearable art by the detachable mechanism, which has dual functions between jewelry and painting. In this work, metal, linen, ochil, and bunche paintings are used for a soft feel for viewing. In pursuit of emptiness, during the pandemic times, my dog Fancy Mongsil inspires me to be emotionally creative. At her young age, Mongsil became blind and ill. I've decided to incorporate Mongsil to accentuate my artwork, to treasure her in my memories and gradually let her go in the emptying process.